Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I want to thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I would like to thank you all for liking, subscribing, sharing my video. Thank you so much. Today, join me in my kitchen. I'm gonna cook some chicken legs, but today I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer. If you have never done air fried chicken before, you should try it. I did it many times and it turned out really good. To me, better than the oven, but that's only my opinion. So let me cut this up, wash it, clean it, and I'll come back. Hey guys, so I bought this air fryer from Costco. I have one which I had for like 2 or more years, but it's a single tray. But I saw this one and it has 2 trays, so I decided to get it, and today I'm going to make some air fried chicken legs as I showed you guys earlier. So I'm just gonna unbox this to see what it looks like. Here I'm just gonna take this out. My goodness, this is heavy. I think I'm gonna have my husband take it out, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys. These are all the options that the air fryer has. So I guess you can do all these things. These are the racks, I think, that goes on top. If you have stuff on the bottom, I guess you use it's stuck in there. But if you have stuff on the bottom like chicken or wings, fries, whatever you're making, and you want to put more than the bottom can hold, I guess you can use this and add more to it. But yeah, I'm excited to use it today. Yeah, there's some more tape here. I'm just going to remove these ones, and I'm going to give this a nice clean up and take it upstairs and get ready for cooking. Here I cut and wash and clean this chicken, so I'm just gonna put them here and sap it with this paper towel to take out as much moisture as possible. When seasoning this chicken, it has to be dry for best result. I take out as much moisture from the chicken as I can. I'm just going to put them back into this bowl, and I'm going gonna season them up. First, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Celery salt. You can put whatever dry season you have. It doesn't matter. Your taste. Chicken gonna taste good anyways. Here I have dash, some chili powder, give it some spice. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. This always make me sneeze. Some black pepper. Here I have some ginger. Here I have some Caribbean spice and garlic and roast garlic. Some extra flavor. This has chili seeds in it. And one heaping of green onion. Well, green seasoning, sorry. I'm just gonna put 2 heaping of salt, and I'll taste later. If it needs more, I'll add more. Because some of these spices have salt in it already. I'm just gonna massage all these spices into the chicken. Make sure I get it under the skin. It helps it to marinate faster. Give it a good massage. It's all done. And I'm just gonna put this into the fridge and let it marinate for about 2 hours before I put it into the air fryer. Here I have the chicken. I'm just gonna place it in here. But these chicken are huge. So I think there's 2, 3, maybe 1 more. I don't want to overload this. I think that's enough for 1 tray. No, I'll take 1 out because I'm using the other tray as well. So yeah, that's 1 tray. I'm just gonna put this one in. I'm gonna bring the next tray over. I'm gonna do the same thing. This smells so nice with all the spices. Looks good. Just gonna put this one in here. Plug this in. The chicken is in. I'm going to do air fry and on. There you go. That's what the chicken looks like. It's been on for 25 minutes. I'm going to take it out now and give it a turn. 25 minutes and it looks like that. Smell amazing. So I'm just going to turn them over and put them in for maybe 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put some glaze on it. Put it back in for another 5. See, the skin came off. Oh, wow. Looks very moist. So I'm just going to put this one in. And I'm going to put it back on. Air fry. No, sink it. Air fry. And on. Guys, I am doing this with you guys, so it's my first time using this air fryer, so I'm learning as I go along. The only thing I don't like about this air fryer is so loud, but I guess because all 2 section is on, maybe that is why. In here I have ketchup, mustard, and barbecue sauce. It's going to be the base for the chicken. So I'm just going to base it. And I'm going to put it back in for maybe a minute or 2. This will prevent the chicken from drying out. Going to do the same thing with this. Gonna put it back in. I baste the chicken, put them back in for a minute, then I'll take it out again, baste the other side, put it back in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hi everyone, I am back. As you can see, I plate my dinner and I already took a bite out of my chicken. There you can see it. It's cooked all the way through. It's tasty and it's very moist. So if you guys have an air fryer, give it a try. Maybe you did. For those of you that don't have one, please go get one from the store. Try it. It's healthy. It's super tasty. And you can have it with fries. You can have it by itself. You can even have it like this. So thank you once again for watching my video. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. Leave me a comment down below if you think I can do something different. Please come back to see what I'll cook next. Thank you again, and bye-bye.